Photonic Wave Energetics Report. For February 16, 2019 and beyond. For your consideration. Heads held high, my fellow pilgrims on this ascension journey. For those of us embodying more ionized particles. A large photonic pulse wave coming in for our upliftment. Here we glow. Okay. Stay hydrated with structured water and get plenty of rest. I'd say just stay in bed like I am going to do. Also get yourselves some adaptogenic herbs, colloidal trace minerals with nano silver, vitamin C, immune boosting mushrooms, cracked cell wall chlorella, spirulina, raw zinc, etc. Anything that boosts your immune systems, oxygenates your cells, and helps RNA reignite your dormant DNA. These higher frequency energies, scalar waves, gamma rays, adamantine particles, etc., can put stress on our endocrine and nervous systems. All of us that are awakening now usually have some sort of ascension symptoms, which is a good thing. This means you're in it and you are starting to embody a higher frequency of yourself. This means that we can absorb more energy/light into our avatars, biological and light bodies. This means we are heading into a fourth density and closer to our fifth dimensional consciousness. This is a transmutational process, morphogenesis, in a much larger ascension cycle. Our fourth and fifth strand potential DNA, dormant DNA, introns, etc., are coming online. More holistic health inspiration, support, and information on my YouTube channel. Especially for our biofield physiology. This is why most of us are here, to hold more light. This is how darkness comes to the surface. Blessings everyone. Stay hydrated my friends. We are sovereign, we are free. 1 Lasco Coronagraph February 16, 2019. Pleiadian, benevolent star family ship buffering scalar waves. https://www.swpc.noaa.gov/products/Lasco Coronagraph. 2 SRC February 16, 2019, 8 p.m. PST. The Tomsk Space Observing System Schumann resonances, data from 224 stations around the world, is about 14.5 hours from Pacific Standard Time when they put the data out. http://sosrff.tsu.ru/?page_ID =7